Welcome to Crown Paints Procurement Portal. On this brief, we are going to see how to view GRNs delivered and also proceed with supplier invoicing. Please click on the link provided or just type on your browser kxm.crownpaints.co.ke. Proceed to log in. Select the company as Crown Paints. Please type your official email address, avoid copy pasting, then select on the drop-down your Vita account and put your password, then log in. You are now on the home page of the supplier portal for your company. Proceed to the GRN tab where you'll be able to view all the deliveries that have been successfully delivered and received by Crown Paints. Select View to view the details of the goods delivered, then close. To proceed to supplier invoicing, click on the Invoicing tab, Create New Invoice, input the invoice number, enter the KRA team's number, be accurate on this one, then enter the invoice date. Please note the invoice date to be the E-team's invoice date. Input the type as procurement. Then on the remarks, please provide the details of what is being delivered. On the item details, under the GRPO number from the drop-down, select the GRPO to invoice. You can view the details of the item to be invoiced. Check box on the VATable status. Then select the tax class and the applicable tax rate, in this case, 16% equal to VAT. The KRA team's number, as I said, should be as accurate as possible. Finally, save goods invoiced. Under Documents, upload the invoice and press Submit. You have successfully completed the invoicing. Thank you.